All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with a beautiful piece, but as you might notice, this is some video that I had to dub because I had some microphone issues, and again, there's not going to be any sound from the video, so it's just me talking and commenting the actual video that I just recorded with the wrong audio. So this is the pouch, of course, which I'm opening up, and I'm about to show you this fantastic piece right over here. As you notice, there's not going to be any sound in this video. This is a full custom knife made by Hovin Føniks. It's a piece of art. This is where art meets function, and this is a knife. It's a folding knife, of course, but it's done with superb level of craftsmanship, as you can see. It's a flipper. It is a larger knife. It's made in titanium, carbon fiber, and Damas steel. So prime materials, prime finishes. And I'm going to go throughout this video. Probably I'm going to show you some sound that you have just to imagine how this thing sounds, but it's pretty unique. Anyways, you have a bolster, back bolster, as you can see. That's it comes from the scale, like the same bolster, like the front bolster, let's call it that way. From the same scales. On the back, you see this beautiful Damas steel backspacer with kind of like some faceted parts, like on the edges around the top part, matching the spine on the blade and matching the back spacer. Look at that. It's crazy. I've never seen this kind of finish anywhere. The back spacer is floating. It's absolutely flush. You cannot feel any step going on like between the materials. The pocket clip, it's made in Damas steel, matching the back spacer. It's flowing and following the contour of the handle, and it is mounted with hidden hardware. So you're gonna need a special tool to take this guy apart. That's just a custom pivot, but it's disassemblable with a spanner, so that could be done. But to take care of the scales and the pocket clip, you're going to need a custom tool, which I don't have. That's why there's not going to be any disassemble video. The blade is just a sinuous, gorgeous set of curves, a double recurve, edge sharpening, and finger choil, thumb ramp with no jimping. Great feel, even if the shape suggests otherwise. I can tell you it's very comfortable, even if this matches the definition of art knife. So you can see on the inside the scales have been jeweled. You can have a glimpse of the hardware, which is hidden and fastened from the inside via a custom tool. On the inside, you can see on the inside you can see the signature right over there. Very, very cool. Carbon fiber. This is like floating backspacer with 8 washers, suspending the spacer and creating this effect, which is honestly pretty cool. You can see the etching of the Damas steel from the inside. And that is, a testament of this maker's craftsmanship. So here is going to be the weight measurement, because this is a big boy, and it's going to be 7.05 ounces in the pocket. So very heavy compared to some other more, let's say, regular offerings on the knife scene. So this is like more on the heavy side, but the level of finish, I'm telling you, it's unprecedented. Really, really cool, unique finishes. Look at just the spine of the blade with the facets matching the backspacer and the top. It's just like a little neat detail that you don't see too often in the custom world. It's a flipper. So the action is, I remember it was feeling maybe a little bit gritty. So I think at one point I just added some nano oil, maybe here without bagging my camera around. I think this is the point where I'm grabbing some nano oil. There you go. I'm just adding a little dab on the detent and 5-weight nano oil. Yeah. And yeah, just a little dab to smoothen out the closing action, because this is a pretty much a brand new knife with which still needs to be broken in. So yeah, as you can see, there's no drop shot guillotine effect. Just a little nudge is gonna get that blade in a closed position pretty easily. The beauty of this knife, of course, is the materials employed. My favorite stuff, titanium carbon fiber, with a little fancy touch of Damasteel in the pivot collars and in the backspacer and in the pocket clip. So very, very sinuous, very elegant, artistic piece for sure. Lots of work went on this one. This part is very interesting, like the cut to make the lock bar, as you can see, look at that, extends onto the inside of the bolster. Very, very unique feature. Never seen this on any other maker except for this guy. Feel is great in the hand. Not very. I don't remember any hotspot going on into this one. So I mean the look checks out. I show the sound, of course, and the feel. It's just amazing. Too bad you cannot hear how this guy sounds. And again, I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.